Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are back with another video from our Uttarakhand trip. After Nainital, it was time for the next destination, Ranikhet. If you haven't watched the part 1 video yet, do watch it. I'll leave a link in the description box below. In this video, I'll be sharing our experience and the places to visit in Ranikhet. Ranikhet is a magnificent hill station nestled in the Almora district of Uttarakhand, perched at a height of 1800 meters or 6000 feet above sea level. Ranikhet, or Queen's Meadow in English, offers a stunning view of the western peaks of Himalayas. Though we went there during the winters, it is best to visit there between March to June, as a pleasant climate during this season makes this place very scenic and picturesque. And the outdoor activities are also free to access. In my opinion, July till September, being the monsoon season, is the best time to visit as the place looks attractive and fresh with beautiful flowers around. We started our journey early, so we had a lot of time in hand. Our plan was to visit the local attractions first before checking into the hotel. We were staying at Zomotel Ranikhet Heights. There are a few stunning shots of the Himalayan range from the terrace of the hotel. Watch the video till the end so that you don't miss out the stills from the hills. The famous tourist spots in Ranikhet are Chowbatiya Apple Garden, Jhula Devi Temple, Mankameshwar Temple, Golf Course, Tarikhet Village, Majkhali Falls, Haida Khan Babaji Temple and many more. First on our list was Chowbatiya Apple Garden. Chowbatiya Garden sprawls over 600 acres of land. This place is renowned for the orchards laden with juicy fruits like peaches, apples, apricots and much more. This charming place is a nature's hub for the solitary lovers and those who want to bond with nature. You can find guides here who can help you walk through the garden. They also offer walk through the forest next to the garden. The best part is the panoramic view of the Himalayan beauties, Nilkant, Nanda Devi, Trishul and Nandagunti. It was winters, so the trees were all in hibernation or dormancy, so no fruits or flowers for us. But still, the scenic beauty here was awesome. Next on our list was Jhula Devi Temple. Jhula Devi Temple is dedicated to Goddess Durga and is well known for its cluster of elegantly designed bells. Going by folklore, this shrine was built in the 8th century. The idol of the goddess was found by a shepherd who was guided by the deity herself on his dream. Jhula Devi Temple has the deity sitting on a jhula, Hindi word for cradle, and hence the name. Locals believe that Jhula Devi is the protector of the people of the valley. On fulfillment of their wishes, the devotees offer a bell at the temple, hence you can see the number of bells adorned at the temple. I lost the footage of the temple, so sharing only the stills. Visiting Ranikhet during winters can be tricky, as most of the trees here are in hibernation and the falls are mostly dried out. You won't be able to enjoy the true beauty of this place. That's why we decided not to stop by the golf course, one of the famous tourist attractions here, as the shooting of the movie Raja Hindustani was done. So we moved on towards Tarikhet village and stopped on the way at a viewpoint, sharing some stills from here as well. We were tired after the whole day's journey and hungry as well, so we decided to check into our hotel. Zomotel Ranikhet Heights is one of the best hotels in Ranchi. USP of the hotel is its location. You can witness mesmerizing panoramic view of the great Himalayas from the property. Nanda Devi, Trishul, Panchachuli peaks are visible from the balcony and the terrace. The best part was the food they served. It was amazing, tasty and delicious. Next morning, we were welcomed by the picturesque view of the Himalayan range. If you like the images, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so that you get notified whenever we bring a new video for you. As it was just a one-day trip, post-breakfast, we started our journey towards the next destination. The day we spent at Ranikhet was refreshing and relaxing at the same time. The green landscapes, the panoramic view of the Himalayas, and the stay at the hotel, all are captured in our memories. Keeping the sweet memories in our heart, we'll see you soon with a new video. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and travel whenever possible. Goodbye.